What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Italian sausage and peppers. So, let's go ahead and Mambo Italiano, shall we? Ooh! That's right, baby, the Italian sausage and peppers. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, Italian sausage and peppers? What the hell are you talking about, man? Well, I'm about to show you. Because I'm going to go all in like the Italian stallion. So, first thing that you need to do when you make this little tasty dish, got to get you some Italian sausage. That's where the Italian sausage comes in. So, we want to go ahead and get you some Italian sausage. Today, I just got mine at the store. You can make yours at home, but you know me, baby. Ain't got time for that shit, so go ahead and get your sausage, put it down in a hot pan with just a little bit of oil on the bottom so we don't burn the bottom, baby. So, all you want to do here is get a good sear on the thing, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. And then, I want you to turn it down to kind of like simmer. And we're going to put some water, boy. We're going to add some water, boy, like Bobby Boucher. So, just a little bit of water, not enough to cover it, but just enough to let it sit in the bottom. Because now, we're going to put a lid on that skillet, and we're going to let that thing steam like it's in the sauna. So, once you get it done, you know, you can kind of, what I did was I got a little chunk off one of the edges and kind of had a little taste and look for the color, and it won't take long. Maybe, you know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes total, sir. So, but while those totally awesome Italian sausages are cooking, you can go ahead and cut up your peppers and your onions. And see, with the red pepper we got, and then the green pepper we got, and you know, I got a yellow onion because that's the thing. I think you're supposed to use a white onion, but I went ahead and got the yellow because it's what I liked. It's what I did, so that's what I did. So, when you get the yellow and the green and the red, kind of almost looks like that Italian flag out there standing proud and tried and true, buddy boy. So, you get your vegetables in there. Once they're cut up, you've got your sausage taken out, and you know, take that sausage out, but do not drain that grease and that water, because a lot of the water is going to cook down and it's going to give it an awesome flavoring on that pan. So add just a little more grease, and I say grease, but I mean oil. So put a little more oil in there, not much, and then we're going to throw our vegetables in there and we're going to let them saute, baby. We're going to let them dance like Carlton. So while they're in there, let's add just a little bit of, what else would I do? Salt and pepper just for flavor, baby. So good stuff right there, buddy boy. And once you get your vegetables sauteed, you should be ready to assemble. What you're saying to yourself first, like how?
Couldn't you just go ahead and throw the sausage in with the vegetables? It's all going on the same thing. Couldn't you let them saute?
Well, you could. But me, I don't know. I just felt like doing it this way. So that's what I did, buddy boy. Don't get on my case. Now, we're ready to put it all together. And very simple to do. Get you a bun, hot dog bun. You could get a fancier bun, Kaiser roll, whatever. Got time for that shit. So, got me the hot dog bun today. Put it right down there. I grabbed my plump sausage, and I put that sucker on there too. And then you get you a big hearty helping of all those peppers, sir. And I gotta tell you, with the peppers and the sausage on there, I mean, it really almost already looks like the best of both worlds. It's kind of like Cardi B handing you an Oreo McFlurry. Ooh, delicious on both ends. So, we're going to take a delicious sight and a delicious bite of this sausage tonight, but not after I have a sip of my Coca-Cola. You're saying to yourself, like, oh,
Why aren't you chugging some booze tonight, you old boozer?
well, I chugged a lot last night, buddy boy. I got to tell you so. I had to stick with my Coca-Cola today, and it is around the holidays, and I always get the taste. So, I'm going to have a taste, I'm going to have a sight, and we're going to be back for a bite in just a fortnight. So, see you soon. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Italian sausage and peppers is done. And I'm having that first bite for myself. So, and it's a big old thing there. Whoa. What? Messy, but delicious, man. That Italian sausage in there with those peppers and onions and the salt and pepper seasoning that we use. Man, oh man, that's a good combo right there. So, ooh, so good. A little sip. Right on. So, I want to thank y'all for being right on time and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can watch all the rest of my cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to finish this thing because it's good. So, bye-bye now. See ya.